Hello everyone, my name is Zuhaib Ahmad and welcome to the world of computers. Actually, in this video, I'll tell you that how you can print statements on screen while using printf statement in C programming language. So let's start. First, open your code blocks. I made C programs or C code in code blocks. This may take a while, so wait for that. So the code blocks has started. Now select an empty file. Then first it's better to save your program. We save it, for example I save it on desktop. Save. Okay, now let's code. First you will have to add a library statement, which is hashtag include as then stdio dot h. This is our library statement, or you say that this is the headers file or header command. Then you will have to add the main function, which is int main and then brackets. After this you will have to add curly brackets. Actually, whenever we start C coding or we made a program in C language, these three steps are compulsory. First we will have to give a library statement, which is hashtag include less than stdio.h greater than. Then we will have to give main function int main brackets, and then we will have to add the curly brackets. Whenever we write a C program, in all the programs this is compulsory to write. Spaces doesn't matter. Now this is also okay, and this is also okay, but by add spacing it looks better. Now in these brackets, in these two curly brackets, our whole program will be written as. When this bracket start, it means our code started from that point. These are just, this is the main library statement, this is the main function, and it comes in every C program. And after this bracket our program started, that what we have to do, what we want to do. So we want to print statements on the screen, output screen. For this we use printf, print f. Then you will have to add small bracket, then you have to add commas. And now what you want to written on your screen, you will have to write it in it. For example, I want to write hello world on output screen, so I write hello world in these commas. Now at that place you will have to add a semicolon, and it's compulsory. If you don't write semicolon at that place after the printf statement, if you don't write semicolon, then a syntax error occurs and your program doesn't start. Printf. Okay, our program close. Now run and build this program. See, hello world. Hello world is printed on the output screen. So whatever you write in these commas, that thing will be printed on your output screen. For example, I write the sun is shining today. Okay, and then I build the program. So look, the sun is shining today is printed on the output screen. In the same way, for example, I write John is a decent guy, and I run this program. Look at this, John is a decent guy. Whatever you write in this state, in these commas, doesn't matter. Whatever is that will be surely printed on the screen. For example, I write semicolon. So colon, for example, I write the colon after guy. So this is also in the commas. So it will also be printed on the output screen. So I write what should I want and see. It will be printed on the output screen. Now, what about the semicolon? Look at this. If I remove this semicolon, then look, see. Look at this. An error occurred semicolon before curly bracket token. Or it tells us that there is a semicolon missing. So semicolon is compulsory. Now run this program. John is a decent guy. So for example, you want to write John is a decent guy. He is studying he is studying physics. He is studying physics. Or you want to write he study computer sciences. Okay, now run its program. Now this whole line is printed on a single line. John is a decent guy. He is studying computer science. If you want that John is a decent guy is printed on first line and he is studying computer science will be printed on the second line, then what you will have to do? Then you will have to add a \n there. John is a decent guy will be printed on first line. \n means that the program will shift it to the second line. This is the meaning of \n. Then he is studying computer science will be printed on the second line. Look at this. John is a decent guy will be printed on first line and he is studying computer science will be printed on second line. For example, you say that you are telling that whatever we write in these commas will surely be printed on the output screen, and I write \n, then why \n is not printed on the output screen? So \n, basically \n means that the program will be shifted to the next line. If you want to print \n on the output screen, then you will have to double edit \n. Now see. Now \n is printed because \n is in commas. I think you don't got my point. For example, I say that whatever you write in these two commas will be surely be printed on the output screen. For example, I write question mark there. Then see, question mark will be printed on the output screen. Now if I write \n there, then see why \n is not printed on output screen. Actually in C coding \n stands for that the program shifted to the second line. So if you want to print \n on the line, then you will have to add double \n, then a single \n is printed on the screen. This is I want to say. Okay, so in this way you can print statements on your output screen. I think you surely got my point and I explain you clearly how to print statements on output screen. So if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and like my video for further updates, and please tell me and give me the suggestions in comment blocks so that I would come again with something better. Thanks.